Let's check out this T5.120 ElectroCommand. 120 horsepower, partial power shift ElectroCommand transmission. Arched roof with LED lights. LED rear cab lights. 3 rear remotes. Cab suspension for unbeatably comfortable ride. Large wide-angle mirrors. External 3-point and PTO controls. Let's look inside. Buddy seat and air ride operator seat are standard. Large, high-visibility cab. Ergonomic right-hand console. Command motor joystick control and transmission control. Three locations to shift gears. Smooth and easy to operate your 16x16 transmission. Clutchless power shuttle. Unmatched cab visibility. Tilt steering and right-hand door. Let's get to work in our new Holland T5. Visit our website or give us a call.